Cracking conditionals with phrasal verbs. A fun approach. Hello learners. Today, we're diving into a very interesting area of English language learning. Phrasal verbs. But we're not just stopping there. We're going to combine phrasal verbs with first conditional sentences to make our English more vibrant and natural. Let's begin. Phrasal verbs are a combination of words from different categories, like a verb and a preposition or a verb and an adverb. They carry unique meanings, often different from the original verb. For instance, give up means to surrender or quit, not just to give something. The first conditional, also known as the future probable conditional, talks about possible future events. It is formed using if plus present simple tense and the future simple tense in the main clause. For example, if it rains, I will stay at home. Now, let's bring our knowledge of phrasal verbs and the first conditional together. We can use a phrasal verb in either part of a first conditional sentence. For instance, 1. If you run out of money, I will lend you some. Here, run out of is a phrasal verb used in the if clause. 2. If it gets too late, I will pick up my sister from the station. Here, pick up is a phrasal verb used in the main clause. Remember, it's all about practice. The more you use phrasal verbs in different sentence structures, the more natural your English will sound. Let's practice using phrasal verbs in the first conditional. 1. If you, blank, not remember the way, I can look up the directions. 2. Correct answer. If you don't remember the way, I can look up the directions. 3. I will call off the meeting if it, blank, rain, tomorrow. 4. Correct answer. I will call off the meeting if it rains tomorrow. The key to mastering this skill is consistent practice and real-world application. Well, that brings us to the end of our lesson. Remember, learning phrasal verbs and using them in first conditional sentences can add an impressive layer to your English proficiency. Keep practicing, keep using new phrasal verbs, and soon you'll see a huge improvement in your English communication skills. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.